plane. It has small wheels. Planes do have them. And this price is 13.80. And let's pick up this one. We can put an extra car in the back of this, and it pulls back so you can put a bigger car. And it's not this size only, you can pull this black thing back. It shows you over here. Now let's put that. Now this is a weird one. It's like a camping car, like a camper. And this wheel is over here, is fake. But these two are the actual wheels. And these are monster trucks from Hot Wheels. These have big wheels, and they have a lot of collections of Hot Wheels here. We have a lot of them here, and we have these Hot Wheels packs, night version, I think. And these have 5 individual cars. And there's all sorts of cars. And I just dropped one. And this is a Hot Wheels City collection. These are all monster trucks. This is a dinosaur, and this is a flying dinosaur, and this is a really big rammer. This is a big car. There were names of these cars. Where did they show the names? So I don't think they show the names for these cars. And each is the 65 dirhams. That's a lot of money. And we have these Hot Wheels cars. These are like pullback. Yeah, these are pullback. And you can their doors open, I think. There's a button here. There's a button, I don't know. And this is a pullback. And then we got the Hot Wheels RC cars. There's only 2 different colors, these two. And one costs, I cannot see this. Now let's see another one. Okay, they don't show the names or how much they sell it for. And this is also another pullback car, but this is a normal car, not a off-road. And these are new Overwatch cars. I didn't play the game, but there's these cars. There's these 4 cars. But there's one car that's not in this collection, this car. This one is not in this collection. So, and these are color changing cars. You can turn this into different colors. This is red into purple. And this one, bone shaper. This one's into red to pink, blue, I think. Yeah. And these are all the cars. Now we can move on to the track, but it's way up high. And there's one single Hot Wheels track that are below. So we're back, and we're gonna start in the Lego section. This Lego City part. I think this is an ice cream truck that's cost 99 dirhams. And this is also a Lego City, and I think it's a construction station machines, I think, like the bulldozer and the dirt pickup thing, and some bricks, and the cement mixer, I think. Yeah, and this one, it's a small one, really small. It's like there's a motorbike and it's 49 dirhams. It's small. And this is also another small one. It's like a fire car. They're really small, and comes with an owl and some fire. Now let's go to the water section, big ones. This one is a boat and a big truck and a big place to put your boat. I cannot speak it. And it's 149 dirhams. Big guys. And this is a small one. And this comes with 2 cars, and it's 129 dirhams. Really big, guys. Now let's go to the police. These are police. This is a criminal, and this is a big police truck. And there's a helicopter, you can push big car, and you can put the helicopter there. It's a big truck. Now let's go to this one. This one has a big car and a big truck and big gas station. And this is 5 and plus. I think all the rest are 5 and plus. Yeah. And it shows the number of pieces in this. This is 60,257. Okay.
Good.
So all the cars but these have big numbers. Okay. Now let's go to the big boys. This is a big monster truck, and there is a thing behind it. And this is like a policeman and a police bike. There is this big city bank, and the criminals will steal the vault from the city bank. And we got this guy. This is a big Lego brick, but with some pieces in it. And this has a towing truck and a motorcycle, and this big car. Built requirement. Okay, so this piece only has this building. So this only has this building, and there's other pieces needed for these, but these are individual packs, so these are not. So now we're going to go to the Hot Wheels Speedies Championship. These are the Speedies. And these are Jaguars. Both are Jaguars, like a Formula 1 Jaguar. And these will give you these. And there's 2 drivers. And this is the real thing from the Legos. These are the 2 real cars. And these are the 2 Lego cars. And let's move on. And there's a plane here, a big plane. And this is a truck. This is the building piece needed for this one. These are the 2 same cars, and that's also needed. And this is also same. Now that's it. Ninja parts. This is a Lego Ninja master of something, and this is big red. And there's also different colors. There's blue and white and gold, but I didn't see these movies. I didn't see these cartoons. I never see them. I didn't know their names. And we need a pause now. Check out Teamsters. These are their Lego. They're these car parts. There's like individual motorbikes. There's a lot of colors for these motorbikes. I think these are pull back or just driving. And this is a big set. I think this is a fire station. There's a big fire truck and another fire truck. And there's a police tow truck, a police ambulance, and a police car. And there's a helicopter and a helicopter pad. And there's 2 signs and all the signs. And this is the station. Now we'll go to this. This is a transportation station. And these guys have buses, cars, vans, pickup trucks, trash cans, and dump trucks, and the big one. Now we go to the small ones. They like the equipment for building a structure or digging. This is for dumping sand. This was for picking up sand, and that's this also. And this is a cement truck mixer. And this one is also a fire department, but there's no department. There's a big truck with a car and a helicopter with 2 accessories. And now we go to this one. This one can load up cars. Can load up like this. There's only 3 cars. I think more cars can fit in this. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 cars can fit in this. They're only giving 3. Now this guy is going to be the big guys. This is a big truck. Includes 8 cars, but 24 cars can pick up in this. These are like all the same cars, but in different colors. And this was 115 dirhams. Now it's 86.25. It's in Baby Shop. Now let's go to Huh, great. Now let's pick up this one. I cannot pick this up, it's down here. I cannot pick it up. It's a big one. It's like a big fully police truck with a spiral for cars to come out and the cars to crash in. And there's also a wee-hoo sound. Need batteries, I think. With sound effects. Includes 2 cars and 1 helicopter working lift helipad. So this is the entire set with a kid here. That's also me. And there's a different, no, there's not a different one. Now let's go to this big one, really big. Oh, this is a Ferrari here. A big RC car. This is a big setup. This is entire parking garage. Includes 5 cars and 3 levels of touch garage. And 5 cars over 5 cars. And also available these cars. These are all the different parts over here. And let's see this miniature one. This is also miniature. Okay, we haven't seen that. Now let's go to these tracks. These tracks with 3 cars. And this is just this. You just have to, there's a launcher and it goes through a dinosaur's mouth. Isn't that cool? Now, is there anything behind here? Cool. There's a special one. There's an aeroplane behind here. There, a big aeroplane. And this price tag is covering these cars. And there's a big plane. I think it has wheels. And the price tag, it was 6.5. Now it was 4.8.75. Now let's keep it back. There's a big one up there. A big one. Okay, this is where we're going to end it. And bye-bye. And sorry, I just missed my words. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon with your nose if you don't have hands. And that's funny. And bye-bye.